The year was 1923, when the struggle for independence reached a crescendo after the non-cooperation movement. A number of people had been arrested during the flag satyagraha in Nagpur. Amongst them were members of the Hubli Seva Mandal founded by N.S. Hardikar. The British government tried to break them, to persuade them and to frighten them, but their efforts proved to be futile against their resolve. It was during this time and while imprisoned that N.S. Hardikar envisioned the formation of Seva Dal, an organization that would train Congress workers and instill in them a strong sense of military discipline and passion to fight British rule. As soon as he was released from jail, Hardikar ji went to Allahabad and met Pandit Nehru to discuss the establishment of a combative organization on the path of truth and non-violence. In 1923, Sarojini Naidu proposed the formation of the Hindustan Seva Dal. Pandit Nehru was appointed as its first president, and later this very organization came to be known as the Congress Seva Dal. After the formation of the Seva Dal, the organization was entrusted with the responsibilities of cleanliness and security in the 1924 Belgaum session. This impressed Gandhiji, and he expressly stated that the Congress session would not have been successful without Hardikarji and Seva Dal. The influence of the Congress Seva Dal on the freedom movement can be gauged from the fact that the British rule banned it in 1932, fearing the revolutionary activities and popularity of the Seva Dal. The Seva Dal has always been an extremely popular and integral organization and has been called by both Pandit Nehru and Rahul Gandhi as the true soldiers of Congress. The importance of the Seva Dal can be measured by the fact that along with Nehruji, many notable Indians like the first president of the country, Rajendra Prasad ji, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Rajguru, etc. were all members of the organization. Congress Seva Dal has always been the backbone of the Indian society and the strength of the Congress party. The strength of Congress Seva Dal is the strength of the nation, because Seva Dal's ideology has always put the nation first, not any religion, community, caste or class. The country needs this legacy today. Jai Hind.